Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a carrot. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cartoon carrot, we're going to begin right here on the paper and we're going to make a little line that's going to come up and then down. So we're going to start right about here. We're just going to go up and down like this. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and I'm slowly going in as I come down. And then I want to do the same thing here. I'm just going to come down, and then we just want these to meet right here, so I'll connect them with a little curved point. Now at the top, let's make the leaves up here. We'll start by drawing a line that's going to go up, and then it's going to come down like a hook. And I want to do the same thing over here. We're going to go up, and then come down with a hook. We'll do the same thing up here a little bit higher, go up and down. Then right here do the same thing, up and down. Now in the middle here, just draw a line that comes up. It's going to be nice and tall, and then it's going to come down like this. Now let's make the face on our carrot. I'm going to begin right here. You want to make a nice circle shape for one of the eyes. We're going to leave some space, and we'll do the next one over here. Try to keep it about the same size. Inside of here, I'm going to color in a little black dot for the pupil, and then another little black dot over here for this pupil. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes across. Then we're going to make a nice big smiley face right in here. Add a little line that comes across for the tongue. Then color in that line above here. This is going to be just a nice little color for the mouth. Then starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that comes across. I'm going to leave some space and make another one. And I'm just going to do this right across here all the way to the bottom of my carrot for some detail. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little cartoon carrot. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.